Do you hate me, Bruce? Do you feel trapped? Bruce is trapped on the bed. Tools. Chaos. Right, I'm doing my leisure battery system. Then I can have my inverter. Then I can charge my drill battery. Then I can fit my diesel night heater. So this is my first stage. So that connects to my main starter battery. Fuse. Volt sensitive relay. Wired in there. That goes to ground. Just put that to frame, bulkhead or seat frame or something. Another fuse. Brother said that's probably not necessary, but it gives you 2 fuses. And then, poof, that goes to your leisure battery. Black cable will just go from negative main battery to negative leisure battery. Then I should have a leisure battery system. Then I can wire up my inverter. Then I can eventually fit my heater. So it's all been a bit chaos. Learning curve, getting right bits, right fuses, all less business. What else did I wire up yesterday? So this is the chunky cable for my inverter. So that will attach to my leisure battery. 150 amp circuit breaker instead of a fuse. So any issues you can just go switch it off. And then that goes to my inverter. So yeah, leisure battery, fuse, inverter. Alright. Right then. I think I've done it right because engine's running and I haven't exploded. So that was my last point I connected. So that's the live from the main battery to a fuse, which is 40 amps. Then it goes to volt sensitive relay, back out to a fuse, then goes to main battery, and the negative just goes from battery, main battery, it's coiled up down there to there. These little add-ons, which are electrical connectors, I just added as a little washer for a better fit. I could have actually just cut them back off and put the wire in there, but I thought, well, I'll leave those ports free. So basically I've connected them with those ring fittings. I have actually scratched off the paint and dabbed Gorilla Glue, so I've just taped it there. Hopefully the glue will set nicely. And then this earth, this is just a ground, so that comes out, and I've connected it to that hole nicely. Sabotaged one of them, the cheaper connections I had with the kit, and I've used the nice brass ones I bought from Alfred's. So basically that nut and bolt fitted through that hole and fitted that ring connector perfectly. Sorted. So it all seems to be working. LED light on. So that is now charging my leisure battery. Now I shall attach the inverter and hope that that works, because it's not one I've ever used. And if it doesn't work, I'll be wanting 70 quid back. Right then, fitted the inverter negative to that terminal, positive to there. Right then, when I first did it, wired it all up, screwed it all up, all the ports, all that, and then realised that the, the, the breaker was broken. So that was there like that, all fitted. So it was broken and it wouldn't reset, like that won't reset now. And I was like, fuck, there's too much power going in it. So obviously I went to reset it, but it just wouldn't reset. So basically I think this breaker is buggered. So thank fuck that this one was running late. I ordered another one and didn't send it back. So basically I've just had to dick about, chop this one out, because you've already ruined, once you've screwed them grub screws down, you've, you know, splayed out the cables, the wires and everything. So basically you've got to do another chop job. So that is my second one. Thank fuck I had that, and it works. So the inverter is switched on, all the cables are connected, and that breaker is working. Thank God I got a second one, otherwise I'd be fucking screaming by now. So yeah, them rubber bungs did go there, but in the inside, but obviously my cable's too fat, so that is all now rubbish. Basically that breaker's broken. It doesn't even reset when there's no power going to it. And I tried hacksawing into my finger. When I was hacksawing through the cable, I slipped and went right into my finger. Anyway, I think everything works now. Thank God. Can't be asked to move the seat again. So hopefully that glue will set. I'll leave that for a day, then take the tape off, see how it goes. Everything works. Everything works. Woo! Bruce, I'm going to roll a spliff and take you for a walk, okay?